वाटर में सॉल्ट है लेट्स से 20 ppm, तो हमारा कलकत्ता का पीने का पानी में सॉल्ट होगा 40 ppm। ऐसा चेंज ऐसा ही ज़्यादा नहीं, केसी नहीं रहेगा। कौन सा ऑर्गन प्रोड्यूस करता है? पैंक्रियास। पैंक्रियास का हिंदी क्या है?
सर एक प्रोटीन कितने टाइप होते हैं?
एक प्रोटीन में ये देखो N-1 का अगर अमीनो एसिड कौन सा कितना है? 100 है तो 99.5 एक दो एंड खुला हुआ है, ठीक है?
We all know that catalysts enhance the rate of reaction, but they are not benefited by this, and why did they do so?
They are not.
Catalysts are not benefited by enhancing the rate of
No,
reaction.
catalysts are not.
Benefited. उनको कोई फायदा नहीं होता ना? catalyst को reaction को बढ़ाने या घटाने से कोई फायदा नहीं होता, तो वे ऐसा करते क्यों हैं?
कैटलिस्ट का फायदा नहीं होता है, that is true, but वो सिस्टम का फायदा है। If I want to stay in this room when outside temperature is 44 degrees, then it's my job to see that this room is kept cold. Everything is driven by, which you know very well, it's called law of mass action. So mass जो है हमारा solution में inside cell, outside cell, in the serum, wherever, उसमें जो mass, उसमें जो molecular composition है, वो drive करता है reaction. So and there is need कैसे होता है? Need is generated from gene expression. Okay, because अगर I am in a very serious heat condition, then certain genes of mine. I just tell you one thing: chaperone proteins are only expressed till date. See, one of the well-known chaperone is the most well-studied, well-known chaperone is called heat shock protein. And from the name itself, it says if you give a heat shock to proteins, then these proteins expression are. Kyun? Because under heat, proteins are under serious threat of getting denatured. So उसका expression बढ़ जाता है, and that checks so that the proteins are not denatured under heat.
Okay, sir, thank you.
So that's the right thing. Good question.
अरे इनको दे दो।
क्या जी?
अधिक भोजन करने से ही
अधिक भोजन करने से but I think some good suggestion. You know what happens to me when I was a student like you, and I would see that my teachers are sleeping in the front row, and I used to criticize them. They go, yes, so yeah. Now I am 53 years old, okay? And only few months back, one day I was sitting for a seminar, and then हमारा एक colleague है, ये हमको ऐसे जगाया. Then I realized that I was wrong. So age is one important. So because you have a problem in a gene, तो gene को ये नहीं होगा, ब्लैक बोर्ड में होगा.
जैसे वो बढ़ते जाते हैं,
अरे माइक दे दो, माइक।
नींद कम होती जाती है।
हाँ? गोली ले लो. फाइब्रिनोजेन देखो, फाइब्रस प्रोटीन मैंने आपको दिखाया. देखो फाइब्रस प्रोटीन कैसे फॉर्म करता? It's like a mesh, right? So if I make a very tight mesh, fibrinogen is one such protein that forms this. Then no one can pass through this. No one meaning cells. cells cannot pass through this meshwork and it stops. That's the only reason.
जो काइमोट्रिप्सी होता है उसका क्या कार्य होता है प्रोटीन के माध्यम से?
Chop it up. A particular chymotrypsin, these are all proteins that chops other proteins. छोटा करना प्रोटीन, बड़ा प्रोटीन है 100 अमीनो एसिड का, वो 10-10 करके उसको पीस बना chopping. Beauty of this problem is it can only come from here to here and not here and not here. That is very important.
जब टेंशन होती है तो लोग को जब टेंशन होती है तो हार्ट पे क्यों प्रभाव पड़ता है?
जब लोग को जब टेंशन होती है
हार्ट पे प्रभाव पड़ता है।
हार्ट पे प्रभाव क्यों करता है? This is kind of easy. देखो तुम्हारा if you have a old house तो उसमें पानी भरता है, you know tank is there, टैंक के इतना पानी भरता है, उसमें से 2, 3, 4 फ्लैट में पानी जाता है, ठीक है ना? एक दिन अगर पानी का फ्लो ज्यादा हो गया, ठीक है ना, ज्यादा हो गया कोई हिसाब से, और दो लोग आदमी आ गया, somebody is opening the tap very fast, whatever it is, that the money flows faster, then certainly it can have a blockage, and that is called heart attack. And nucleic acid, DNA mostly, RNA नहीं होता, RNA न्यूक्लियस से बाहर चला जाता।
Since the time does not permit for the any proteins, we eat protein, but we study protein today. Thank you, sir. DC Agarwal, the head of the Department of Management, to present the movement.